Just quick updates. Many people have not changed your names here. Someone has joined with SS. Okay, ITK. Right, you can change your names. Okay, full name you can mention. You can click and rename it. Okay, from next week onwards, you guys need to enroll. Okay, so you need to mention your email ID and register, and then the Zoom link will open. Last class, now we have discussed about different types of projects we have in SAP. Okay, so today we will see, before moving into different phases in SAP, so I will explain you about the real-time project. Okay, so we'll take a construction industry, right? So what I'm going to explain is, in construction industry we have, so I will take example of my company, right? It has a business in India, USA, and Saudi Arabia. Okay, so before going into this, you need to understand what is construction-based industries, right? That you need to know first. Many students they are showing experience and they are going, right? I have done implementation experience means the first question they will ask, what is your business, right? Tell me about your business process, right? That question they will ask. To know that, you need to know in depth about your business, right? So that then only you can, if you're working in any end user levels, you can construct a stories, right? Before that, you need to know which industry you have worked, right? In that, I will explain about the construction-based industry.
Akshay, can you be a little bit louder?
Okay. Voice is breaking or it's low? Echo is coming. So I'm going to explain you about the construction-based industry. Right. So with business I'm going to talk now, it has two legs. Okay, one is with wood, another one is with concrete. Right. Wood means most of the European countries, they will use construct house, everything they will use woods. Okay, and they will make your walls, right? Your filler, these all things they will do in Europe. Right. So we are going to concentrate on here concrete. Right. In India, we will use concrete. In Indian business, I'm talking. So company name I will not take. Right. I'm going to give the examples here. Okay. So in concrete business, right? So how it will work, for example, whichever, here again, two things will come. One, if you want to build houses, right? Another one, we want to build a full building, right? Multiple floor building or office, right? Any corporates, right? So here, so what and all things required to build a house, right? In concrete, so we require wall frames, wall panels, you can call, right? We require pillars. These are pillars. Right? We require beams, right? And we require roof slab, right? In most of these offices and whichever house, whatever I'm going to talk about, this industry, right? Many people don't know these all things will be built in factory and they are assembled in the offices or in corporates. Okay, all elements are produced in factories only. Okay, for example, your toilets, right? Doors. Nowadays all in offices, in whichever corporates you take, right? Which apartment, everyone are using aluminiums. Okay, aluminum coated frame it will come. ALG will call aluminum, and then with the glass ALG, aluminum with the glassing. Right, these things they will use all those things now. These all things they will manufacture in factories. Okay, and then they will go to site, right? These houses thing and all, this and all they will do in Saudi Arabia business, as I told, there they will do. They have taken a contract with government. They are building multiple houses there. Means they will not build there, they will assemble it, right? All slabs, everything they will prepare in factories. Okay, same way. So we are going to talk about in in India. In India, what they are doing, right? That's XYZ company. In India, what it is doing, it is taking contracts for offices, right? And corporates, like your Infosys, Microsoft, right? These all different industries they will contact, right? Those people they will give the services. Okay, they will build it, each and everything. Okay. Alright. So this is a business. Okay, so what and all different things they have one by one we'll see. Okay, so you can see Infosys, Microsoft, BHL. These all things, these people are all customers. BHL, these all are customers for our company. Okay, this XYZ company. These all people are customers. This has 4 factories. Okay, so we'll divide it in 4 factories. First one is precast. Second one, joinery. Industry word I'm using. Okay, I will explain about this. Third one, ALG, as I told, aluminum and glass. Fourth one is your, we'll call it as ports. Ports means your toilets. Okay, this is mainly 4 factories they have. Okay, so one precast. If you take precast, this one, right, it works on concrete. Precasted parts, if you see, right, I mean, multiple things will be there. For example, as I told now, here walls, right, your roofs, right, whatever they are going to, they will precast it before. Okay, and then they will go to the on sites and they will assemble it. Okay, on site assemble they will do for the precast. For this one only, we have different factories. Okay, joinery means what? Here comes.
Hey, Akshay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Akshay, your voice is completely breaking.
Is it everyone, Venkatesh?
No, Akshay, it's clear for me.
Okay. Probably you can check with your internet. Guys, my voice is clear, right? You can mention in chat box. Yeah, it's clear. Probably you can check your internet.
Akshay, your voice is breaking. Your internet might not.
No, all are messaging. It's clear. Okay, you can check in chat box. You can rejoin the meeting. Okay. Okay. Second one is joinery. Okay, joinery means what will come here comes the woods. Right, woods means mainly 90% cases. What we'll do, we manufacture doors. Right, doors, your furnitures, right? Those all things will come. Right, again, doors means right here again in detail I will tell one by one as explaining. In doors also multiple things will come. Right, again which raw materials, what are finished material, bill of materials, everything we will explore one by one. Okay, I'm just explaining the industries. Okay, how it is working. Right, second one is your joinery. Third one is ALG. ALG means aluminum and glassing. Aluminum and glassing. Right, whatever frames of windows you see here, right, those all are made by aluminum, and then inside they will put the glass. Okay, those are also pre-manufactured. We'll manufacture in factory and we'll bring it to on site and we'll assemble it. Okay, this is ALG. Which in all apartments, right, your windows, offices, right, windows only, in wall size big windows will be there. Those all are manufactured here. Okay. Fourth one, ports. Ports means toilet, right? Your whatever toilet seats, right? Here multiple things will come. Multiple raw materials will come in ports. Again, your MEP will come here, right? Your mechanical, electrical, and your plumbing department. Okay. Here, whichever you see in malls and all, big toilets and all, right? Those all are not built on site. They are manufactured, in factories, and then they will assemble there again. right? Those all things will take care of the ports. Okay. So if you see, in Bangalore Metro and all, you see, right? Whoever is there in Bangalore, those all, pre-casted material they will bring, right? Pre-casted materials in big material they will bring in trolleys and they will assemble it there. Okay, so that that is called your pre-cast. Okay, so this now you can go and check in YouTube and in your Google and all what is pre-cast, what is joinery. You can do your research. Okay. Next thing. Okay, so we have yeah, 4 factors, right? The pre-cast, joinery, ALG, pots. Okay. This is our mother factory. Okay, mother factory will call main plant or main factory. Mother factory we have in Bangalore. Okay, outskirts of Bangalore we have this one. This is our mother factory. Apart from that, we have one more factory is in Saudi Arabia. Right, this is a mini factory. Right. So we have one more in Hyderabad also. Right, and we have in Lucknow. Right, we have a mobile factory in Lucknow. Right, so we'll keep all the pre-casted materials here. Right. So these all are different plants we have, okay, for this one to manufacture precast, joinery, ALG, ports. Okay, so main factory is in Bangalore and then in Saudi Arabia and Hyderabad, Lucknow, like that. Okay. These all things try to see, make your own research one by one. Okay, after the sessions, okay, you will understand about detail what is joinery, right? What is ALG, industry terms I'm using. Okay, so one by one we will see. Okay, so you got a basic overview of the business. Basic overview of the business, you got it, right? In detail, I will go in one by one. Okay, what is precast, what materials, everything one by one I will go. But basic overview, you got any doubts here? What is the business you understood? Okay. Okay. So now I will explain the first one for precast. Precast. Here, first thing what will come, right? And to do any precast, so we require a concrete, right? Right, we require a concrete. So for concrete we will call it as a, you can call it as a semi-finished material. In SAP terminology. Okay, concrete we call a semi-finished material. Right? What are the materials required to prepare a concrete? Okay, what are the materials required? Sand, right? And your cements, admixtures. Admixture is some kind of a chemical. Okay, and stone. Right? These all are the raw materials. Right, to produce a concrete. Okay, so again multiple things will come. Okay, we'll M60, M40, right? Main our finished product will be M60, M40, M35, like that. Different things we will call. M60 means different composition of concrete. Okay, some will add more sand, some will add more cement, right? Stone, like different compositions will the business will do, and they will name it as a M60 and all. Okay, again the main FG product contains a bill of materials. BOM, bill of materials contains again all these different child items. Okay. So these all sand, cement, admixture, stones, now these all raw materials, now how we need to buy it, right? So this buying will take care of our procurement team. Okay. And to produce the concrete, right? Now our PP team will come, production planning. To produce it and to sell it again, ST team will come into picture. Okay, in our case, we will not sell it, we will consume it everything to our factories only. Okay, some cases we will sell that part will come one by one, where we will sell that one. Okay, like that, your precast business will work. Okay, you know, right, as usual procurement process here for these all things we need to generate a PR, right? PR will come, and then we will go to purchase order, right? So we'll buy those materials and I will give multiple assignments also, so one by one we'll see. Right? Different kinds of concretes we have seen. Right? As M40, M60, these all you can Google it, you will understand. Okay, different composition of a concrete you can call. Right? M40 has different bill of materials. It has different bill of materials. Okay, bill of materials means in this one to make M40 multiple things are required. Okay, to make the finished product. Okay, that we will call as a bill of material. Okay, so to prepare a concrete, so we require a batching plant. Okay, so here batching plant, or you can call mixing plant. Batching plant, if you see wherever construction is going on, some round thing is rotating, right? All these concretes and all they'll put inside, they will rotate, right? So that is called, a mixing plant in small cases. In big industries and all, they will call batching plant. Okay, once concrete is produced now, so is produced, we'll put it in a big silos. Right, these silos silos are big tanks will be there like this. Right, we'll store this concrete in silos. Okay, means in silos actually concrete will not store. In silos we'll store whatever products is required to prepare a concrete. Now that will store here. I mean, like your cement, right? Cement and all multiple things we require. These all things will store it here. Once concrete is ready, then we'll put it in that some truck will be there. That is also the big thing will be there. It will be rotating. Okay, in that we'll put the concrete so that it will be, if you stop, so again it will become a stone. Okay, that's why you keep on rotating. Those big trucks will be there. Wherever, for example, as I told here, we are constructing a building means in apartment, or let's say Infosys is hired, we are constructing a corporate company, big corporate company we are constructing. There on site only, we will install this batching plant. Okay, batching plant, I will Google and I will show you how it looks to you. Yeah, it's grades. M40, M55, M35. These all are grades of a material. Right? These all the grades of the concrete. Okay, I will share some Google picture how it looks to you. You don't see my screen?
Yes, we can.
You're able to see?
Yes, actually, we can.
Yeah. Here, if you see here, these are the big silos. Okay, whatever we are seeing here, this is the silos. 1, 2, 3, 6 are there, and this is a conveyor belt. Okay, here. This is a conveyor from here, everything will go inside, your cement, everything will go inside, and then here we'll store it. Okay, this whole structure we will call it as a batching plant, concrete batching plant. Okay. And then one second, I'll share. Okay. This batching plant now in FICO and PP people will know that this will put it as a work center in SAP. This will call it as a work center. Right? The batching plant and all, we'll call it as a work center where all our resources are there. Okay. Then after this, we'll put into once in batching plant. After that, we'll put into our precast bay. Precast bay, or we call mold. In different molds we have, right? For example, from concrete, what else we can do? We can do walls, right? We can do hollow cores, right? Hollow cores means in business terms we will use it for roofs. Roof purpose we'll use staircase. Right? These all are manufactured in factories only. Okay, and beams, columns, right? These all again for this to do columns, the multiple things will be there. Multiple molds will be there. Rectangular, circular, I-shaped, right? Right. These have different molds. Right. Those all things we'll put it in precast bay. Right. Big precast bays will be there. There we'll pour this concrete and all. Precast bay, how it will look means I will show it in Google. You see, like this it will be. Okay, precast base. Right. This is a same one. Like this, they have different molds they will prepare. Okay, these are our precast base. Okay, and then one more raw material, that is your steel bar. A steel bar I will add will plus concrete. Concrete we will use to prepare these all things: wall, hollows, staircase, beams. Right, these all things will to prepare. We will mix these two things. Steel bar is a costly material. Okay, we'll use it for precast. Okay, so I will give you one how the flow, right, procurement flow will happen. I will show you in this business. Let me. So we have the factory here. Okay, here we'll do you will see my screen clearly, right? Precast. Okay, and here we have our batching plant. Okay, and where our supply will come? Supply will come from vendors. Right, supply. So I'm explaining about precast. Okay, how it will work. So vendors will send their materials, right? Raw materials and all they will send, right, to batching plant through some truck. Okay, how loading will happen, unloading, everything we'll see one by one. Okay, this is delivery. They will do the delivery against a purchase order. Okay, against one, we need to raise a purchase order and then they will deliver. Okay, and some other vendor, he will send MEP materials with another point. Right here, once here we have different storage locations. Okay, they will send the materials into storage location. Right, this is our full factory. Okay, so once our materials are pre-cast, so your MEP materials, and steel, we will get it from one more vendor, right? So this will store in storage bay. We'll call it. We'll store everything in store. We'll create one store here. From store, we'll issue materials to precast. Right? We need to issue the materials to precast. From here, right? Here precast will happen, and once precast is done, here that coated panels, right? Casted panels. Right? This will keep for drying. Okay, it need to dry for 2 to 3 days. We'll call drying time, or in industry we'll call quenching time. Right, some 3 to 4 days, and then it will go to dispatching location. Dispatching location. Dispatching location. Okay, from here it will go to our customers or site, right? Or any our other factories. Right? Different customer direct selling if you want to do, you can sell, right? Or most of the cases will go to our sites only, different site. Site means what? Site means what? As I told, you are constructing, your work is going on in your Infosys or VHL, right? Wherever office, corporate you are building or apartment you are building homes, right? That is our site. It will go to directly to site, or if we have other plants now, it will go to stock transfer, it will go to other plants, direct selling to customer. Right? These all things will happen. Right? Here in batching plant, what we will prepare a concrete. Right? Once concrete is getting ready here, this concrete will go to precast and precasted here, and then coated to different panel, different shapes it will take, and then to dispatching, and then to customer. Okay, this is the overview. Okay. Here from sites it will go to different our locations. Let's say Microsoft, Infosys building, right? Wash building. These all things you need to note down. Okay. Later on, once you watch the recording, you can note down everything, and you do your research in Google. Okay. Some materials vendors directly send it to sites. Okay, they will not do also. Some material they will directly send it to sites. Which material they will directly send it to sites? Indirect materials. Right? Indirect materials means they will not use that one directly. They will send, for example, your office related things, right? Some stationery, right? Those all things, they will send directly to safety materials. Safety materials, right? Like a helmet or caps or dress, these all things related things they will send directly on to the sites. Okay, and they will do the grouting here. Everything. Grouting means you can search it on Google. Grouting the floors, right? Grouting all these pre-casted material means fixing also you can call, you can Google it. Okay, grouting work will do, right? Office stationery, right? Jacket, these all things they will do. Okay, they will send directly, which is not manufactured. Directly we are sending into, which is not part of our factory, right? Directly, those are called indirect materials, which we will not store. Okay, directly we are sending to customers. Okay, clear up to here? Any doubts up to here? Okay, so now, right, so what you guys need to do right here, before next class, you need to prepare our enterprise structure here, right? We need to prepare our enterprise structure, right? Using all these things. How many plants need to be created, right? You have understood the business now, right? So how many plants I need to create? right? How many storage locations need to be created? How many storage locations actually required? How many plants required? Right? Pre-class, joinery, right? I have explained about different business, right? Here. Right, or pre-cast, joinery, ALG, ports, different things, right, to manufacture different plants required, or in one plant only you can do all these things. These all things you need to think and you need to prepare your enterprise structure based on that. Okay, and then we will have another assignment. Okay, in Excel or Word you guys can prepare. Okay, so now if you understood about pre-cast, I will go into joinery. Pre-cast is clear. Workflow as of now. Here the service related things are not done by multiple things will come, Vadiraj, right? So I'm not went into a detail. Okay, so I'm explaining about the only industry. But again, service vendors will be there, subcontracting will involve, right? Stock transporter, different things will come into picture. Right, in aluminum also, one by one I will explain. Okay. Right, you need to create it in Excel or Word. Okay, you need to prepare your enterprise structure first theoretically. Okay, and then as I told, in business, different one phase wise, we will take this industry only and we will explore one by one. Right, what and all difficulties we will face in this one. These all things you need to note it on. Okay, one by one. So next, I will explain. Joinery. Okay, in joinery means it will come under wood. Right, wood in this business, 90% things. So as I told, will prepare doors only. Okay, 90% case. We will manufacture doors. Okay, in doors again, if you consider doors, whatever I'm writing, it is visible clearly only, right? For me, it is whatever I'm writing, it is clear, right? Want me to increase the length?
Increase the thickness.
Okay. Screen is ready.
Yeah, it's fine now.
Okay. Okay, under doors, multiple things will come, right? Your doors, no, whichever area taking apartment or in offices, first thing we'll prepare the shutter. You think you will open and close the shutters, right? That one, and then frame. Any houses, first they will build a frame, right, like this, and then they will fix a door here, right? So frames we need to prepare, and architrave we'll call as a business word. Okay, there is a space between this frame and door. Okay, so this is called architrave. Architrave we'll call. Okay, you can Google it. Okay, here in walls or frame, whatever walls you are preparing, walls and frames, some gap will be there. There, we'll put this architraves. Okay, so these all are our finished material. If you consider these all are finished material, for this again we have a different bill of materials. To prepare a shutter, multiple bill of materials will be there. To prepare a frame, multiple bill of materials will be there. Right? What are the frames will come? In frames, you can have what is that? Fixed door frame, moving frame, right? Multiple things will come here. mean different cases, right? Window frame is different, right? Main door frame is different. Like that frame, once they put a contract on an apartment or any offices, they will measure everything and accordingly they will start manufacturing. Okay. So what are the raw materials required? Raw materials for woods.
Actually, once again, can you use black color? This red color is not visible properly.
Okay.
Try to use more thickness.
Okay, black only.
Yeah, sure.
Is it visible now?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. In raw materials for woods, okay, so what are the raw materials we have? We'll call it as particle boards. Okay. Different quantity of wood, particle boards, so different quantity of wood sizes will prepare. Okay, and hinges, right? Bolts, logs, right? Different logs. These all are the raw material. Okay. And in joinery, so we have different machines. Okay, multiple machines we'll use here. Different machines for cutting purpose, right? Cutting different woods with different sizes. We will use the cutting machines, right? Cutting and joining, furnishing, right? Packing. Right, we need to pack it also, right? As I told, joinery means your both will come, your aluminum, ALG, right, and glassing will come, right? These all are, right? Again, we'll create it at workbench or work center in SAP. Okay. So the joinery is clear. Different machines are there in joinery. Okay. For these all things now, whatever manufacturing things, again, 3 people are involved, as I told, now production, procurement, sales. Now, for manufacturing finished good, now we will receive a production order, okay, to manufacture these shutters, right? Shutters and doors, right? Different things are archives. These all things will require a production order. Okay, then production people will come into picture. To take the raw materials, again, procurement team will come into picture. Okay, and to sell materials from one place to other place, for example, you have one plant, in Bangalore, you want to sell it to Hyderabad plant, again, STO will do internally only, stock transfer order will do. Okay. And this ALG thing, as I told, aluminum. This bracket, all the windows work will be done by through aluminum. So at the aluminum, and inside we'll fix a glass here. Right, the frame is aluminum and this is your glass. This is manufactured in our industry factory only, and then we'll distribute it to on sites wherever our work is going on. There we'll distribute. Okay, this aluminum frame, glass is all costly materials. Okay, whatever operations we will do here in aluminum and joinery, what we'll do? We'll do the cuttings, we'll do the frame assembly, we'll do the glassing. Glassing means we'll fix the glass, and then we'll do the packaging. Right here, once you pack everything here, right? Because this is glass, right? Packaging is important, and then we'll distribute it to different sites. Okay, so our finished material here is in joinery is what? Glass window of different size. This is our finished material. right, in SAP. Under this, again, multiple raw materials will come, right? This glass window in our business, two things we'll use. One, for we'll use it for our own business full contract we have taken to build a apartment or offices, right? In that only we'll use. This is my first case. Okay, we'll consume everything here only. Second case, we will send it to, for example, this whole contract is taken by other company, okay, to build anything. Only those companies are asking to give the glass windows, means joinery items they are asking. So we'll we'll manufacture only for that and we'll distribute it to that plant, in different plant. But we're not doing pre-casting everything and all, only we are working for joinery thing. Two business case we are working now. Okay, one direct using and another one for different customer. Okay. So this one, windows and all you can call for to making windows and all, multiple things will come again in aluminum. Different challenges will call. Okay, aluminum challenge like this it will look. Okay, the window will pass right using under this, right? So sliding you are doing or anything, right? Different challenges will prepare. Okay, aluminum challenge. If you type in Google, right, you will get to know. Okay. Any doubts here? Aluminum sections, correct. Any questions here? No, raw material is not LG, and under that, multiple things will come. Our full glass window is finished material. Under that, bill of materials will come. Right, under that you can consider that LG is a product, main product. Using that, aluminum and glazing will call in industry term. Okay, so I will take the questions one by one later. Okay, I need to explain some more. Here, one important thing is, so how business going to design base unit of measure. Okay, for base unit of measure only we had big discussion in business explore phase and relation phase and all. Okay, so different people will ask different thing. Okay, in production people, right, means is all joinery aluminum atom we will buy it in kgs, right? We will buy it in kgs, right? In buying will happen kgs, but production people they want we need to measure it in meters, right? And we need to consume it in meters. They will sell, and the sales people they will tell some more percent of measure, right? This discussions will happen. This is only will take 1 to 2 months. Okay, I mean multiple problems will real time problems will come. Okay, what is the business? Whenever we are talking with the business discussions, multiple things they will ask. Okay, so we cannot finalize, right? So what we have done in this case, so we are buying everything with the kgs, and we have, for example, 1 meter equal to, we have considered, for example, I am taking 2.5 kgs of aluminum. Okay, aluminum chambers you can call aluminums, that measurement that you can call. Okay, 1 meter equal to 2.5 kgs. So like this, we are going to buy it. Buy in kgs, and whenever we are consuming, we are consuming it through meters. Wherever requires, through meter wise, we need to consume. Whichever factory we are using, right, to prepare window or anything we are using, we are consuming it through meters. Okay. Next thing, fourth department is ours, ports. If I'm zooming it, you will see, right? Ports means our toiletries. Fourth department is toiletries, right? Here, Here we can see multiple raw materials are involved here in ports. Okay. So whatever if you see in malls and whichever offices, right? That furnished toilet you can see, right? Those all are manufactured again in factories. Okay. To prepare a furnished toilet, right? Multiple raw materials are required. Okay. We need to prepare that 3D structure. Okay. Right, and then we'll assemble everything. Here in pots, everything will come. Your pre-casted items will come, right? Your joineries will come. Your MEP will come, right? Your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing items will come. Everything we will use, and we'll now we need to prepare everything, and then we'll go there and we'll assemble it, right? Your pre-cast means walls and all, right? Walls or your pre-casted items, roof, doors, right? Your joineries. ELG in the pots also, windows and all will be there, and tiles. We will do the grouting of tiles there. Okay, and your MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, right? Multiple things will cover. So our finished product here will be our pots. To do that, again, multiple raw materials required, which will take it from different segments. Okay. Again, here also multiple raw materials are there, right? So your concrete, steel, plumbing items, electrical, mechanical, right? Again, each we have different bill of materials. In the pots only, one bill of material, it maybe contains 250 items, 250 to 300 items. Okay, not bolts, many things will come. Okay. So once these pots are ready, two things we will use. One, we will directly sell it to customer. Different customer, we will use it for our purpose only. Our purpose only means our contract. Whatever buildings or apartments we are contract we are using, now on site we'll bring there only. Okay, or else directly only these parts will sell it to different customers. Okay, this is an overview of a business. Right. You see here. Okay, these are the 4 factors as I told, precast, joinery, ELG, and ports. This is the overview of a business. Okay, to do that, multiple things we need to do and we need to Google it, okay, one by one, right? So how you need to prepare for your business means you need to ask many questions during the interview, your business discussion time, right? Your BDP phase, your business blueprint phase. Once you go into the site, you are in implementation project. If you are going to implement SAP means, right, you need to go into on-site, right? You guys are showing experience and going means you guys need to ask a lot of questions to the business. Okay, so how you are going to precast this material, right? What kind of material you are using, where you bring the material, right? From how you will issue the materials to different stores, right? Any direct vendor is there for to send these materials, or you will only create it, right? How you will supply, what is the supplying plant, right? Any subcontracting are using or not? These all questions we need to ask it to our business. Okay, so to get a full overview of our business, we need to ask many questions. Okay, so good consultants will ask different questions to the business. Okay, then only you will understand one by one as your different phases you are involved in here in discovery phase. What exactly we are going to have a discussion with business. These all things we'll see one by one. I hope you got a little bit idea about this business. Okay, I'm going to unmute you guys. We'll take the one by one questions. Okay?
Hello, Akshay.
One second. Yes, Vadiraj.
I am also from the batching plant only.
Yeah, great. You can share your experience.
Yeah. But when these are the problems are going to come in batching plant, how you are solved it? I'm going to ask some questions for you.
Yeah. These all questions, as I told, right? So business blueprint time, we will go to requirement gathering. Okay, at that time, multiple things will come.
Because all the raw materials, what we are going to get for this fabrication first,
Mm-hmm.
precast. Those are on kg basis, like sand, jelly,
Correct.
and cement.
Mm-hmm.
When we are going to send it to this fabrication, precast fabrication, then it is in cubic meter.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. And the unit is going to change over there.
Correct.
Yes. And also, when we are going to purchase jelly, all those things, we are going to mention the thickness of that jelly.
Correct. That's what bill of materials will come. Now, if you see here, as I told M60, M45, na, full list will come, right? That only, that base unit of measure discussion only happened 2 to 3 months. Okay, we need to finalize, how we are buying, what in each phases, what, base unit of measure conversions we need to do.
But in classification of that material, how we are going to classify? We are going to create as a MM01 as a separate material for each thickness, or we are going to classify it.
No, that's what, as I told, now we will create a one finished material. Okay, that's a concrete, right? Once you create a concrete, so there again multiple bill of materials will come to prepare. Again, concrete, multiple FGs will come. One, as I told, M60, M45. This will create it as a material in SAP. M60,
No, finish.
M45.
I'm not asking about the finished product, sir.
Uh,
I'm asking you about the raw materials. When we are going to create the materials over there, at that time, the jelly is going to be as it is a first product. Jelly thickness is going to come different. Nah? How we are going to create it? We are going to create as a separate material.
Okay, I got it. So different cases, we will have different thickness jelly we need to prepare, right?
Yeah.
For that, how we will classify your taking, right?
Yeah.
We'll give different grades. We'll give in batch management. That's why batch management will come there. Okay, different grades, concretes will prepare. Na? So okay, this much thickness, different grade, A quality, B quality, different quality wise we will give, right? Or different compositions wise we will create. We will create it a material with different composition.
In every case, it is going to happen. In aluminum, if you are going for aluminum windows also, we are going to take the thickness like gauges of that materials.
Correct. Yeah.
Hello.
In glass also.
Yeah. Yes,
Hello.
Praveen.
Yeah. That is actually we have to create a material group. Then we have to go for a material as per the requirement. No, that grade of concrete. We have to create first a material group. First.
Correct. Material flow I have not yet came. Yes. So we are now. I'm explaining about only business now. Okay, and I have not yet came to SAP.
Another guy has having doubt. No, so I explain.
Okay.
Okay.
Once I come to in a step by step we will come. Okay, means right how we will create raw materials. Right, what first we need to think about the different plants. Right, how we are arranging different plants here. Right, how we're going to transfer one plant or two plant or multiple plants. Right, and then in business blueprint phase, in explore phase, we need to do the requirement gathering. Right, we are just now entering into the business. Okay, so like that you need to think. So right here many freshers are there. Right, directly you are going inside the material, everything means they will not understand. Okay,
Yeah.
so as a fresh consultant, right, you need once you go inside, how you will ask questions, right? How that what I'm explaining here in implementation.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Right. If you guys are showing experience now as an implementation, whatever industry you guys need to show, right? In and out, everything you need to do your pre-study. Okay. These are tips I'm giving, right? Wherever if you go, if you place, then you will clear interview and you will place it. Okay. I know. Right. Once you go and you got an implementation project, you need to do your pre-study. Okay. Before entering into any business. That, for example, aluminum industry or concrete, right? Construction industry or chemical industry, right? In service industry, you need to understand those terms, what they are using. Okay, so once you go inside and if you don't, business is explaining in their terms, means you will not understand at all. Okay, once you go there, if you don't, if you are ready to do 16 hours in a day, right, you need to invest that much hour in, once you get into implementation project. Okay. So your assignment here is this business, what I understood, what I have shown. Search, do the Google searches, okay, and build an enterprise structure. Okay, I want to okay, these plants I want to create, and this is the storage locations, right? One plant or multiple plants I need to create. Like that, you need to come up with your business blueprint. Not business blueprint, you need to come up with your enterprise structure now. Okay, and the next class, what I'm going to say, your prepare phase, your discover phase, I will explain. With taking this business only, going forward, I will explain all the phases. Okay, here I'm going to explain with taking this construction business only. I'm going to explain each phases, what and all we will do actually. Okay, so don't confuse in detail. I will explain. Okay. Any more questions?
It is a homework for us to create the
enterprise structure, and then we'll have a discussion over it.
okay,
Right? I
okay.
will
For
show
4 factories
how
also, no?
how we are creating, how actually we have created. I will explain later on. It's a big industry, guys. Multiple things. In each thing, if you take again, multiple things will open up. Okay, one thing you need to prepare. Okay, simply you need to understand all the terminologies. You need to understand business in eye view. What is that? In eagle eye view. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Puneet.
Sir, like in a pre-costing area, so like we are doing some type of planning there, right? Like we are going to plan how to create the concrete, the like different type of things we are creating.
Correct.
So it's a totally a planning phase in pre-costing.
No, again, everyone is involved there again, right? Our PP guys will do planning and production orders, they will do, right? And our work is to give the, we need to do the procurement of whatever raw materials are required from vendor, right? So again, multiple departments are involved here to do that implementation. All end users are doing. Your work is consultants, right? We need to do the better solution to our business. Right, okay, we need to understand their business first, and we need to everything. Our work is what we need to map everything into SAP. Okay, those people are only doing all the business. Okay, end users only will do everything. So what is our work? We need to give them solution in SAP. To give solution, we need to know everything in that business. That's why you need to know one by one.
Yes.
So you need to do the Google searches for these all things, whatever we have discussed. One by one, you need to understand the terms. If you guys are showing this industry in your resume. Construction industry have worked like that. If you guys are showing, you can show, or else once you understand these all processes in detail, you can show wherever you have worked. There only have implemented SAP like that. Also, you can frame your, you can do little bit manipulation in your experience. That is okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, there were 2 questions. Number one is I had read somewhere that it was an interview question. I really would like to know your viewpoint. That the question was that what is the effectiveness of implementing an ERP into a business? Like how can the business be benefited with implementation of ERP? I would like to know. According to your viewpoint, looking at SAP and other ERP products that are available in the market, how would you put it up?
Implementing ERP means multiple tools will come. Implementing SAP, how it impact the business you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have to implement SAP, again, multiple things will come. Your profit will increase. Okay, first thing, right? Your company is earning profit 30%, means once you implement SAP, it will be 80 to 100%, 200%. Why? Because it has integrated structure, right? For everything, right? For your sales, SD, PP, all things it is integrated fully, firmly, right? And that's why your profit also will increase. In other systems, you take Oracle or in BAN, they are concentrated on only BAN is concentrated on procurement thing, right? If you take other only PeopleSoft, you concentrate on HR thing. Like that. So if you consider SAP, it is integrated with all the modules and new technologies, right? Whatever you can adopt it. Okay.
Smooth flow of business process.
Yeah.
Okay. And my last question, sir. Yesterday I had asked for time to speak to you one-to-one about.
You can call me after the session directly.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
That'll be all from me.
Any more questions?
Hi, Akshay. Akshay, like I want to know, like when you will be giving real-time project experience about FMCG
Yeah, in coming classes. Once this is
coming
over,
class.
yeah.
Okay.
Or I will assign one person to you. So you are started giving interview means I will assign one person. Okay, he will take the personal class with FMCG. Okay, you are already started giving interviews, right? So it will speed up your process.
Yeah.
Anybody
Sure,
wants
thank
to? Yeah.
Akshay,
Anybody wants?
Akshay,
Yeah.
could you share what are the problems are come in implementation in this concrete project for you?
Yeah, everything will share. Right here, we have a separate topic now here.
Hmm.
What are the implementation challenges we'll face? Right? One by one, we'll explore. Okay. Some guys, as I'm talking this only, right? They want to finish it early means already completed my level 2 training. You guys can take, and you can start preparing, right? And you can start giving the interviews also. Okay. This class will also go as usual. Will take to complete more than 6 weeks to complete. Okay. So before already you can take from Prabhu my completed level 2 sessions, so that you will get to know overall picture and you can start giving the interviews. Okay. January starting onwards, multiple openings will come. Okay, you can start giving. As usual, our class will go like this. And if you want, you can prepare. If you want, some people want to prepare early, means you can take the videos and can start.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. And any specific industry, specific things you want, you can ping me personally and I will arrange a separate class for that. Okay.
Yeah.
But these all things you'll get to know once you start giving interviews, right? Once you start giving interviews, okay, these things I require, you will ask, and then accordingly I will use the solutions.
Okay, no problem.
I want everyone to build their resume and you can start giving the interviews. From batch 4 student who is joined, right? You guys can connect with Venki. And weekly once he is going to have a session with preparing resumes only. Okay, so you need to finalize. First thing, you need to finalize your resume and you need to upload it. Okay, start giving interviews along with these live classes, right? For batch 4 students, I'm talking. Okay, so you guys can already start giving interviews. You will get to know multiple things. Okay. It is for sure you will get a lot of interviews. Okay. So once you started giving 3 to 4 interviews, then you will understand. Okay. So I'm going to arrange a separate session with Venki every week for resume building only. Right. Finally, your resume, upload it. Finally, your resume, upload it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay. We'll see you next week.